Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have Bath Bevy October and I have a Rhode Beauty product. I feel like it's Rhode Beauty. We will find out. Let's do the Rhode Beauty first. I don't know if you guys ever get what I call like a maggot in my brain where I just get, I don't know, I see a video or I see something about a product and I just kind of like, it gets caught in my head that I want to try it. And that's been true of Rhode Beauty for, I don't know, a minute. And I kept putting it off because it's not at any storefront that I know of. Like it's not at Sephora, not at Ulta, not in any big box store. Little brochure. And I don't know. So that's mainly the reason why you have to pay shipping. I don't like paying shipping. I totally understand that small companies have to charge shipping. But anyway, I've watched a video, actually probably more than one video. She has like a glazing milk and then some other product, but like they both looked intriguing. The other one, whatever it was, had lactic acid, which generally is a no-go. And so this is the outer packaging and kind of in big letters, there's kind of like the key, I don't know what their star ingredients are. You guys know I love ceramides. I don't really care about hyaluronic acid, but what else do we have in here? Let's see. We have 3 ceramides. I would say close to the top third, definitely top half. And let's see, oleic acid, which I don't know about, but I feel like I've been hearing more about. Linoleic acid, which again, I don't know what these two do, but I keep seeing them. And in products I like, I've noticed that ingredient popping up. So I may have to like do a little Google. But I just liked the sound of it. It's supposed to be really hydrating. If you go to the website, it talks about calming, getting rid of redness, kind of, you know, promoting like a healthy barrier. I also, for whatever reason, really love this packaging. And again, it's their glazing milk. And I think this is kind of like a serum you put on. Nutrient rich, milky texture, boosts barrier function, leaves skin feeling hydrated and glowing. That's pretty much my goal. I want to be hydrated and glowing. Now this is saying peptide, but I don't think I see peptides. For ceramides for sure. I love ceramides and peptides. Let me see. I will say here lately, I will say some products claim there's something in there. And like peptides generally has the word peptide. But this is not the first product in the last month where they've claimed peptides and I can't find peptides anywhere. So I don't know. Like I'm not going through this with like a total microscope. Now maybe the copper gluconate, like maybe somehow that's there. Copper is supposed to also be good for your skin. There is a copper peptide, but I don't, again, I'm going quickly. I don't see the word peptide. So I don't know, but it kind of is saying peptides. Let's see, it says shake. Oh, shake before use. I'm going to have to remember to shake. Anyway, so I've just been wanting to try this. This is 4.7 ounces, so you do get quite a bit. I believe this was around $33, and then I had to pay $6. And so it definitely comes out absolutely like a milk. So I just love kind of lightweight, milky serums, and it feels very moisturizing. It is very liquidy, but at the same time, you can feel it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna love it. And I don't know whether I don't know whether the camera's coming off or not. This is the hand with it, and it is definitely more moisturized and glowy. So I love, that's what I kind of want to look like, moisturized and glowy. Super, super excited to try that. So that was just kind of a treat to myself, as is the Bath Bevy. So I got Bath Bevy on and off like years ago. This was kind of a regular on my channel. We are definitely a bath house, bath bombs, whatever. And so I always like the holiday boxes. I just got the September box last month. I love some of their products. I will say this is a splurge because it's pricey. I think with tax and shipping, it comes out to be close to $60. So you're paying $10 per product. But it's a treat. I'm probably going to skip November, and I might end up getting the Christmas box. So you can tell we have a spooky theme. They do give you a card telling you everything. So black tissue paper. I will say this is one of those ones where if you don't end up liking one of the products, it drastically kind of reduces the value for you. Like I don't do bubble bars, don't do bubble bath. So if you don't use a product, that kind of really like increases how much you're spending per product. All right, so up here we have a bath bomb. Back in the day, I really felt like they really did a lot of cutesy bath bombs, like different shapes, skeletons, or whatever. And so this is just a regular bath bomb. I'm also going to be honest, I really like it when they're a fun color for the bathtub. This is not going to be a fun color unless it somehow changes color, which doesn't seem to be the case. This is, ooh, I like the scent. It says fruit candy scent. I can't pinpoint it. It doesn't necessarily smell like candy to me, but I really like this scent. My only complaint is I wish it was a prettier color. This is going to kind of make the bath look dirty. Maybe there's color inside, but I don't think that's generally their MO. I am hoping this is an oil, but I don't think it looks like oil. I absolutely loved their body oil from last month. So this is a glass. Oh, see, this is where this product is absolutely worthless to me. I do have a Boo Buddy at work, so Boo Buddy is going to be getting this for sure. And I will say 100% cute packaging, glass spray bottle. It is like the Boo Crew. It is a hand sanitizer. This is super cute. So this is perfect for my Boo Buddy. I just don't use hand sanitizer. I would much prefer to wash my hands. So this is one of those products where I would never pay $10 for that. And because I don't like that, everything else kind of gets more expensive. All right. So we have an Epsom salt, which I absolutely love Epsom salt. Cashmere, amber, musk, and patchouli. It is black, which does absolutely make sense for Halloween. I will say, I think this is going to make a very weird looking bath, but I love Epsom salts. Absolutely will use this. I will just put out there, this is another one where your value isn't here. You can get a big bag of Epsom salts for like $8 at Target or Walmart, but 100% will use. And then we have Fizzy Bath Dust in orange. Again, I love anything bath bomb, so this will 100% get used. This is also probably at least a 3 bath product, possibly more. Oh, so it's like kind of a gray green and then an orange on top. I do think all of these, like if it's funny how I don't think all bath places if you're doing certain colors like this gray and orange, it's going to end up looking like a very dirty, browny color. Sadly, I think this is Bath Bomb, Bubble Bath. So again, very cute packaging, Bitten Bubble Bath. We just absolutely don't use Bubble Bath at all. So I don't think my Boo Buddy at work would either. So I may just give this to somebody at work. I don't know. We have a jetted tub, and so if you use bubble bath, you're just getting mountains of bubbles. So my daughter's, I don't think ever really liked bubble bath, but she's definitely past the point where that interests her, and she definitely prefers the jetted bath. So this is another product. So this month, honestly, is kind of like I loved 5 out of the 6 products last time. This time is definitely kind of I do love this product. This is their whipped soap. It is Spooky Splash. Spooky Splash? Yeah, Spooky Splash. So again, super cute, 100% cute packaging. Their whipped soap is awesome. I love their whipped scrub, their whipped soap, their body oil, A+++. Citrus, strawberry, and oak moss. No idea what oak moss smells like. Definitely citrus. I can definitely smell the citrus for sure. I don't think I smell any oak moss. I'm not sure what that smells like, but I will absolutely use this. This is a dream for shaving legs. So I will definitely use 4 So I will use 4 out of the 6 products. Would I pay the price I paid for these? No, I could spend my money elsewhere and get a lot more, but it's a fun treat. And so also, if you are interested in Bath Bevy, they have a storefront and you can buy, generally sometimes at a discount, sometimes not, past boxes. And that may be where I go in the future, because then you can decide, do you love all 6 products or do you not? So this is a fun box, but the value kind of decreases if you don't love everything. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.